Okay, Matt and Kim, we're in New York City and we're expected some really bad weather. First flurries are starting to come down, and it's right about just before 10. It's 9:53 or so. First flakes starting to fall. I think I'm going to videotape all throughout the day, but this is what we got right now, just the start of the storm. Enjoy the video. This is Matt and Kim with I Hike Around, and it's a blizzard outside, and this guy is stuck. Can't really get a good shot, but there he is right there. And I think I'm gonna go out and help him. Get a couple people helping him, but I think I'll go out there and help him. Alright, New York Blizzard December 26, 2010. We got lightning going on right now, thunder and lightning. And it's pretty intense. I'm shocked how much lightning there is going on right now. I just went out to help some guy that was stuck. Typical guy walks out in sneakers and you know, totally unprepared for the weather that he's driving in. I got him on the road. He was heading about a good 8 miles away from here. I told him, "You're crazy," but he insisted on going, so I got him on the road, and that was it. I'm trying to get some of the lightning. It's intense. This is Matt. Last night I probably helped about 10 motorists that are stranded on my block. And I wake up this morning and I have all these guys just stranded in front of my house. 4-wheel drive too, including a mail truck.